Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Dr. Anandita Singh and I am a dentist. Today's topic is toothbrushing, how to brush your teeth in the right way. So let's start. There should be a soft nylon, small head. Take a small amount, pea-sized amount. That's it.
Brush should be in a 45-degree angle against the teeth. Back and forth, sweep. Back and forth, sweep. Continue to clean your teeth in a small section. Don't press too hard, it will damage your enamel. Special attention to your gum line and the space between teeth.
After you're done with your teeth, take time to gently brush tongue and cheek. It helps to remove bacteria. Last not the least, the important thing you should remember, brush twice a day before going to bed and before having your breakfast. And the second one, brush at least 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that, and change your toothbrush every 3 to 4 months.